What's up, y'all? Your girl is back with another YouTube video for you. This time we're talking about how to shoot in harsh light. Hey y'all, so your girl went to New York. It was an exciting time. I had a beautiful couple that we had planned to meet for a sunrise session at Montauk Lighthouse in the Hamptons, and your girl was so excited. We got up early. We made sure that we checked maybe a week or two before to see what time sunrise was, and hashtag epic fail. So we're in the car and I'm asleep. My husband's driving. We have our mentee there also. They're driving. I wake up and I look, and we're 30 minutes away, says the GPS. And I'm looking, and I'm like, oh snap, the sun is right there. The sun was already rising, y'all. So we get there, and my clients are telling me that they're running late as well. So I'm like, okay, good and bad thing. I can get out, scout the land, figure out what we're gonna do, come up with a game plan, and figure out this lighting situation. You guys, we were on the beach. There is no shade on the beach. We had to figure out how I was going to navigate this harsh light that was upon us at the lighthouse. So I just want to encourage you that it's not that hard. Embrace the light, y'all. Just embrace it. I had to just get over myself. So what I can say to you is, first, you have to embrace your situation and always make the best of it. In front of my client, I was smiling. On the inside, I was melting. You have to embrace what's given to you, always, as a photographer. And knowing how to shoot in these different situations will definitely help. First, I started with backlighting them. Like where the lamp is behind me, yes, the sun was behind their heads. I put them on an elevated terrain, or it was like a little rock or cliff or whatever in front of the ocean. No, we couldn't see the ocean at that point, which was fine with me. I just wanted the sun to be behind their heads so that if they move to the left or the right, and where their heads are together, this is his head, and their heads are together and we're blocking the sun, it's making a very nice warm and glowy effect, making it look like it's sunset, but it really wasn't sunset. And then we can get those gorgeous flares that will peek through off the side or between, and it gave the effect that I was trying to go for, which was sunset time. You can also take his head and place it in front or to the side or in a way that hides the harsh sun and light, and put a nice shade over her while the sun is behind him, so that it can create nice lighting that's on her. And lastly, you can use the sun for your advantage, okay? Harsh, direct sunlight, if it's your style, you can embrace it. What you can do is underexpose, so that when you bring it up and bring those shadows up, that'll be just nice exposure on their skin. And I embrace it. I have them face the sun, and because the sun is really bright, most of the times I'm telling them close their eyes, soak in the sun, feel the love of each other, embrace each other, and it just becomes this nice romantic picture, feel to it, intimacy moment. And then also the shadows does something for my style. I love deep shadows. I embrace them. Honey, embrace it, okay? If it's your thing, embrace it. Thanks for watching. These are just a few tips on how you can shoot in harsh lighting. If you would like more tips on your business, social media, shooting, editing, etc., join my favorite and now your favorite private Facebook group, Photo Tribe. Down below the link, click on it, join in the conversation. Until next week, I will see you. Keep doing you, boo. Yes. My last tagline. What do I be saying? What do I be saying, y'all? What? movie. You know? Oh yeah. You know, Buzz Lightyear, Toy Story, fantastic. You get to hear it all.
Shut that door! Shut the door!
One day we'll do a video on how I manage my life with 3 children. Yeah. So next time, what are we doing? I don't know. Bye, y'all.